I'm gonna show you how to set up EMA 50 on tradingview.com. So to get started, you have to open any browser that you like, and then from there you just have to type in tradingview.com. And then once you're on the website, you make sure you have to log in into your account, or that will only allow you to edit any features on TradingView app. And so from here, I'm just going to minimize this one. And then from here, you just have to select any coin or forex trading that you want. So for me, I'm just going to choose again this chart, and then you can adjust it whatever you want. So from above here, you will see that the indicators, metrics, and favorites. So you have to click on it and then type in EMA. And then you just have to select the double EMA, triple MMA, or average ribbon. I will just select moving average exponential. And then from here, you will see the EMA is already shown on the chart, which is in here, right here. You can either hide it or unhide it. I'm just going to delete this one because I don't need it. And then I will hide this one. So to edit this one, you have to click on the settings and then input here. So you need to change the length from 9 to 50 because that's what you want. And once you're done, you just have to press OK. And there, right there, your EMA 50 is now on. EMA is now on 50. So that's how you change your EMA to 50 on TradingView.